is it's actually called egg drop soup. Egg drop soup. And you see it in Asian restaurants. Well, a lot of folks think they don't care for Asian food. One of those would be my husband. And that's fine. But I tried this soup the other day, and he enjoyed it. So basically, 3 cups of broth. If it's already has salt and pepper, that's fine, or you can put some salt and pepper. I use white pepper for this. So we're heating our 3 cups of broth. You can defat it. You can do homemade broth. You can do boxed broth, canned. You can take the fat off if you want to. Then I'm going to crack 2 eggs into this bowl. This is kind of a fun soup, and it's kind of amazing the way it turns out. Something you could try that you hadn't thought of before. All right, this is almost, we just want to get it to boiling. Now, we do have 2 optional ingredients, but I'm going to go ahead and add those now while the broth is coming up to boil, which it almost is. And that is about 3 mushrooms and about 3 green onions or scallions. The mushrooms you can use dehydrated and then just put them in here, and the cooking will rehydrate those. Alright, so I'm just going to take these 2 eggs and I'm just going to scramble them as if I were making scrambled eggs. I'm going to let it come to a boil. And then I'm going to add my eggs, and I'm going to kind of swirl them. When I pour them in there, I'm going to swirl them with a fork and turn this off. In fact, I'll turn it off as soon as I pour them in, because they will cook just like that. This is such a surprising comfort food. And think how inexpensive or even cheap or free this could be for many folks. If you have your own chickens, you have your own eggs, you can omit the mushrooms and the scallions, and just have broth intentionally. If you made the broth intentionally, or if you had it as a byproduct from cooking chicken, either one. This could be a free, healthy comfort food for you and your family. So I will actually write this recipe on my website, and I will put a link in the bottom of this video for you to go to my website and get a printable version, a printable recipe. Alright, at this point I'm literally just going to turn this off, and I'm going to put my eggs in here. And I'm going to just swirl it with a fork, and it's done. It's done. That is the egg drop soup. Very healthy, very delicious, simple, could even be free, and it's certainly very inexpensive.